my name is Jerian, and for today's video, we are gonna do some errands. And I got a call from a friend that he wants to join me today. He's actually a grand finalist of Tawag ng Tanghalan sa It's Showtime, and he wants to join me today do some errands. So, nakata, sugatan ta siya.
Hi! Ouch!
Kamusta ka
Oh my goodness.
So, let's welcome Mr.
Hello.
John Padua.
Hello, everybody. My name is John Roland Padua. Seatbelt first.
Seatbelt E.
Let's go.
So, dan mo ko subong, maduko errands today.
Let's go. Sige ah.
Sige.
Ano na errands na?
Damo, doy. I mean, damo ko all around sa school.
Baka kagatas yung mga bata?
Go!
Please, Jerez.
Hindi na makagatas, wala patada.
Cherry.
Hindi ko ba nakaka-catch up si mo dahil since nag-abot ka di from Manila.
Yep.
And I want to say that I'm very, very much proud of you with your
Thank you so
accomplishment.
much.
I have seen all of your videos even before, and I have seen you grow as a singer. And proud gi kuya mo to ang akong very, very proudest moment sa iyo.
Thank you so much
So,
for the support.
Subong niya, kamusta ka?
I'm actually doing fine. Siyempre, study first, tadanay.
Correct.
Gamo na eh. And then, continue on with the career and passion at the same time. Ikaw ya, kamusta kaya? It's been so
naman.
long.
It's been so long actually. But, subong, ano ni, gahulat ko nga, ga-push ko. Last push na lang para makuha
Go.
yung diploma. Okay. Last push na lang, Day, para makuha ko ang diploma.
And you should
And
get it, girl.
hopefully,
Yes.
this June.
Yes.
Yes.
Yay.
So, since lawig pa na diya nga ton nga katuan subong,
Yup.
I wanna ask you something about your journey sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. So, paano gid nag-start?
Wow.
Paano ka paano ka nag-audition?
To be honest, kaya ang audition ko yabay very unexpected.
Oo.
Kay if I know, kapilan ako mag-prank sa Facebook sang season 6.
Actually pala, kung sino ba nag-prank sa Facebook, to amo pa na sila ang
Gasolod.
Oh, actually, di ba?
Same man sang recent kay Hana. Ako man na
Yes!
nag-prank man
Wait,
siya.
speaking of Hannah, she was supposed to join us today. Kaya nga ba, man siya sa akon nga, gusto niyo man ko na magupod sa akon nga errands for the day. But then, sad to say, naging katuan siya na emergency. So,
I'm here.
yeah, we're still here, so I'm still okay.
Yes, yes.
At least hindi ko lonely. Oh.
So, ako na, going back, so sa season 6, kapilan ako mag-prank. So, manifest, up until nga nag-season 7, I thought na wala auditions dere, pero kaluyan, may blessing, nagka-audition day sa Tangob, and then I joined.
Other ka,
oo,
hindi siya online.
Hindi siya online. Kay kabudlay sang online,
Oo.
mag-audition. So, kung in person, ganyan ang audition, mas mayo kay tungod nga, may chance kay makasulod ka. And actually, ang pag-audition ko is one of the unexpected gidya without any expectations. Kay recently, na-learn ko ang unhealthy expectations mo. Kung once you have unhealthy expectations, naka-disappoint ka. So, it's really to have an healthy expectation, but not at the same time, hindi mo pag-i-down mo ko galing sa expectations. Siyempre, expect ka man, pero at the same time, healthy expectation. So, amo na, to cut the long story short, nag-audition ko, and then after 11 days, yung tawag ko, and that was the, Yup, tsakto na. That was the most memorable auditions and journey gidya sa TNT. After 11 days, kintawag ko, and then lupad na dayon. So, actually, fun fact, dapat, for example, if I can remember, sang Friday ko gintawag, pero ipalupad na ko by Sunday, wala pa ko ka-decision sa pilahan. Pero I had to really beg, legit beg.
Same as school.
Yeah. And for the, also sa TNT na kung pwede nila iisol para may ara ko time nga listen siya. And nag-grant man.
Good man.
Nag-grant.
So, actually, ano gidya? Doon nakatadhana, gidya si mo. Kahit ito, everything went
Well-aligned.
well. Yeah.
Yes.
So, is it really your dream, gidya, ang mag-join TNT?
Actually, dream din na iya, heavily dreamt by my mother na makatungtong ko. Again, fun fact, kambal nga gani sa ako nga, na malapot ka na 25, wala ka pa ka-join national contest. So, TV, gidya bala ako. Okay, I've been joining several contests sa like buong Philippines and I haven't joined gidya like in the pro level, kumbaga. Although, we all know na TNT is a amateur singing contest. Pero, amo na na pro level man na siya Japon kag national stage. So, iya gid na handom kag dumot nga maka-join gid ko sa TNT. And natupad man. And of course, natupad man ang akong dream.
Let's sing the song for her.
Yes.
Actually, this is one of my favorites. Gid, say mo nga.
Wow. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, although it's true I was never attention seek center. I still remember that girl who is reckless, stressed enough, who gets hurt, but who learns how to toughen up when she's bruised and get to use by a man who can love. And then she'll get stuck and be scared for the life that inside her, going stronger each day until I finally remind her to fight just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone but used to be mine. Used to be messy, but she's kind. Eh, actually, fun fact, amo ni siya ang last song ko to qualify me to the semifinals. And
pero day, nagnami, gidi mo technique ya day, no? Like, ang mo pag, like, ang technique mo gidi Like, I think, amo ginaguro, well, just a fun fact man to our viewers, no, for today's vlog.
Yep.
It's very important, kid. Simo ba? Very important ang technique. Simo to, nga na-bring mo. Ang nga na-learn mo. And what are the other techniques man nga na-learn mo man dito?
To be honest, very technical. Very technical when it comes diri sa Negros, to be honest. Very technical, very So, nadala ko man dito, pero na-enhance pagid ang technique ko. Natunan ko to, not only techniques na makapahelp sa akon nga tingog, but also one of the techniques, actually hindi man gid siya technique, pero ang emotions gid actually.
Actually, grabe. Actually, yung emotions. I mean, every song guro nga gina-bring mo gid ang emotion.
May ginahalinan na sabi mo nga hindi mo na siya ma-fake. Ang imo nga nakabatsagan. Oo. Although you can fake it till you make it, kay since since nga makanta kaya and kasi ang song na kantahon mo is not relatable sa imo, like for example upbeat songs or mga mellow song, heartbreak songs, amo na nga di man ko heartbroken, pero amo na bala you have to internalize. You have to be in that moment. You have to be there to connect with the song. Kaya tungod nga, how can you convey the song if hindi ka connected? May disconnection, kumbaga. So, important gid yung emotions when it comes to singing. And in general, nakuha ko na siya by natun-an, kumbaga, sa pag-acting classes. Kaya hindi lang singing ang ginintrahan ko or hindi lang sa singing nag-invest ko, but nag-investment ko sa acting classes. Kaya tungod, it helps hand in hand, singing and acting.
I agree. So speaking of emotions,
yes, Ay. Sana'y ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit, mayakap ka.
Ay, that's a beautiful
Diba
song.
ka namin?
Nami actually, yung rendition, gizong song.
Yes.
So, aside from techniques pagid, I want to discuss your warm-ups nga nato. Ano, like, ang breathing mo, gin-enhance mo pagid even more. I think amo ginang one thing nga gin-highlight sa imo, no?
Yeah.
Sa isa ka judge nga the best kagid. Or, ang ano, sino gani ang imo nga na-upload sa grand finals nga, your last song sa grand finals, ano gani?
Ang last song ko sa huling tapatan,
Yeah,
the medley.
Yeah, the medley.
Yes, Wency Cornejo.
Yes, si Wency Cornejo. Siya, I think na nga ba, si mo nga, grabe, imo breathing and everything. So actually, bala, I have a advocacy,
Mhm.
and its title is Noodle Notes. So it's basically awareness and prevention of vocal nodules. So sa mga rehearsals, yung wala ka man experience, train, say mo voice, kahit I know, nga daw sunod-sunod ang show.
Yes.
That time.
Super.
So, anong imo nga ginaobra para hindi ka mag-ano? And given that pila ka lang ka days, even a day lang gid gani go
Yeah.
to learn a song.
Less than 24 hours to learn one song. Ang ginimo ko, Gid, is really rest, vocal rest. Kung may time ko, kailangan ko mag-rest sa hapon nga tingog. And of course, ang iyan na ang vocalization. Kailangan gid ang vocalization kay tungod nga amo nang makapugtaw simo, intonation mo, breathing mo, tanan-tanan ara nada mo kumbaga full package na ang vocalization. So ang ginoobra namon nga kung kada agay is more on pang-abre, mga para maabre gid ang vocal cord. Kag of course, ang iya ka breathing kay tungod nga dira gid sa aga ang pinakalawig-lawig gid ang imong oxygen, breathing mo tanan-tanan para da kag well rested. So ang ginobra ko to amo na usually if I have time I rest and then kung makanta na ma-vocalize kid. Proper vocalization
yes,
para hindi mag-stray.
Yeah, I think sometimes kaka-overlook ang ano ba ang importance ng vocalization. Always, kung magkanta, nalipat ko, hindi na lang vocalization. But very important yun siya.
Yeah.
Especially, we singers are very, very prone to vocal nodules.
Yeah.
And, amo, gina-highlight kaya. I think, us singers, nang very, very much prone to vocal nodules.
Yes.
Especially those, nag-use gid bala sang voice nila professionally. Sunod-sunod ang gigs and everything. Sometimes hindi ta nagka-overlook ta na ang wala na rest atong voice. Wala na always at kapoy, and then sometimes gaano pa ta, gapulaw pa ta and everything. So very important gid ang warm ups, vocalization, very very important gid.
Super important ang vocalization kay tungod nga once you don't vocalize before you sing, naka-strain ang tingog. Hindi ka kabalo kung ano ang placement na gamiton mo.
Feel mo na,
yes.
diba? Ma-feel mo. Pero ikaw, na-feel mo man to sa TNT na na-strain mo?
Yeah, many times kay tungod nga not only nga nakalipat ko sang vocal rest and vocalization, but the amount of stress, the demand in the industry is very very heavy kay tungod nga amo na wala rest, kumbaga adlaw-adlaw kinahanglan mo magbugtaw aga. Imagine 4 AM kinahanglan mo magbugtaw para lang maka-rehearse.
Pero yung mga kanta, pa sa 12.
Yes. pagdamo kamubi mo. So,
Oo.
ma-take time gidya kung isa-isa. So, ang himuon mo ya, as a singer, as an individual in general, na kinalan mo ya mag-work on yourself gidya. So, amo na kinalan mo gidya vocalize and kinalan mo gidya mag-take time to vocalize and take time to rest gidya. Miskan 30 minutes, miskan an hour.
Quiet ka lang gito.
Yes, kinalan quiet.
Quiet ka na.
Oo. And of course, also it helps mentally and physically.
Discipline.
Oo, discipline. Ang misconception actually sa mga singers and sa mga ibanda na gapakuno-kuno nakabalo is bawal ko na mag-inom tubig, na tugnaw-tugnaw, bawal oo. Actually,
Ice cream.
yes. Ang pinakabawal gidya is mga oily foods, mga kape, and kape, which is very, kilala mo, ako kinanan kaya kape to energize.
Me too.
Yeah, diba? Kay sticky na siya mo, and then sweets, it's not tungod nga kay sobra katamis, sobrang sa makahang, it's not, it's not because na gakapektuhan ng imo tingog, but kumaga ang imo nga flaps bala gakapektuhan kung sobra katamis, mas sticky na siya, so hindi na siya mag-vibrate constantly. So kinanan mo gidya when mag-vocal rest ka, inom ka damo tubig, but not too much tubig na magka-toxins ka na. Wala toxicity the panawag. And of course, also a misconception is mainom pipakwa. Doon ka muna remedies bala init na tubig kay mas ma-destroy pagid na ang vocal cords mo kay tungod na super stretch, super kumbaga gina-stimulate niya pagid nga mag super strain kay tungod nga dapat ya ang imo vocal nodules ya amat-amat. Vocal cords. Sorry. Hindi vocal nodules.
Natingala ko. Vocal nodules.
Sorry. Ang vocal cords mo dapat amat-amat nga gina-stretch. Hindi nga super mo gidya.
Ako subong ko lang na nabalaan nga. That's a misconception gali.
And of course, bawal lemon. Kaya acidic.
Oh. So I did a podcast with Mr. Castellier. John is also a student of Mr. Raymond Castellier. And one thing nga ginhambal yagit during our podcast is hyperacidity ang nag-cause sa iya to have a vocal nodule. Kaya bin niya, okay na, acid na and everything and all that.
Pag rampat na sa mga singers in general, kay may gakatubuan, pero nagkakaroon tayo ng acid reflux.
Yes.
Very relevant yan sa mga singers. So you have to find remedies, you have to cure that. Although hindi na siya, curable naman siya, pero gakabalik bala.
But it's still dangerous.
Dangerous it.
Ay, there's still a big chance nga hindi mo gyapon mabalik imo voice.
Yes.
Diba? So, question ko si mo. Question ko actually si mo. Ano yung plans sa imo nga singing career as of the moment? Or ano pang gusto mo ma-achieve?
I really want to become an inspirational singer. I know this sounds very cliche, but I really want to inspire those students, children, or an individual na was born and raised by a single parent. Hindi kay ang ibang nga singers focus sila sa politics, mo to. Pero ako more on mama's boy ko mo. So I was born and raised by a single parent.
Pero amo ginabala ang na believe ko si mo kay even before pa TNT mga competition sa Kumu, nag-live ka na sa Kumu and everything. So yeah, doon ako gid na kuha si mo nga, ay ala, grabe gid si Jonya, even though pandemic to that time, ikaw yung bira-bira, kayo competition, kami talaga niya, hala, wala na kami ganitingo. Wala na kami practice, wala na, hindi na kami confident sa one voice.
Hindi man gid necessarily kinahanglan nga maging consistent, kailangan mo man mag-rest, pero ako music really gives life to my life. Gives color to my life. Ganun mo na. Kaya tungod nga...
So, magkakakita man yung purpose.
Yes. tuod na iya. And I was given actually a prophecy sa isa ka mentor, leader nga one of duka bugat siya na prophecy na gahakitan niya ko na ara ko sa stage to break every chain. And you know how it is very duka warfare na siya mo kay tungod nga you're battling also Siyempre, you're battling also the dark side and amo niya mo to. Pero at the end of the day, gidya, ang ako niyang purpose is to really sing and offer my singing to the Lord, gidya, and to offer it to my mother, my late mother, na makita niya man na proud siya, kumbaga. Na,
For sure. Before, nopseya pa lang,
yes.
kita ko na nga, like, nagdaog, nag-champion kasi nopseya. Ay, nakita ko ang happiness.
Oo.
Di mo mom, like, hindi ka siya mapakali.
It took me 2 times.
To win. Diba? So, let's play our last song
Let's
for this afternoon.
And I know what's around the bend might be hard to face this come alone, and not just my fame, but Lord knows I try. Short stars fill up the sky. Hey,
Take my people with me. Together we are going to a brand new home.
far across the river, can I hear freedom calling me to answer? Gonna keep on keeping on. I can feel it in my bones.
Alright, we have definitely arrived at our destination. Thank you so much, John. It's really good to catch.
Thank you so much,
And thank you. Kaya wala ko actually kasturyasin mo.
It is really a pleasure na gin-invite mo ko. And I really love
Thank you.
being with you.
No.
And interviewing me is an opportunity na makashare ko sa mga viewers na amo na sa imo advocacy.
Yes. And what can you say sa akon man nga mga participants sa akon advocacy who are also inspiring to join TNT?
Sa mga aspiring singers, amateur singers, mga bulilits, kiddos, bulilits, teenagers, keep on singing, keep on having that fire, hindi pag i-burn out. Kung ma-burn out man ang inyong fire, please do be consistent. Kumbaga, find ways to sing in your life and give color in your life. Kaya to be honest, ang singing is really a tool for you to cope up with all the mental illness that you've been through. Damo ta forms of art, damo ta hobbies. So, keep on doing that. And sa mga gusto mag-TNT, practice, and do not sing to impress.
Yes.
Do not sing to impress, but sing to express what your advocacies are, to express your feelings, to express your craft that God has given you. Because at the end of the day, people should see that. Should see gaano ka powerful ang imong ginadala nga na life story, na ginadala nga advocacy, or ginadala nga power through your voice, kumbaga. I hope sa mga nanonood dito, you will have the chance to be on the main stage, you know. You never know, international stage pagid, no? So, amo na, thank you so much for and don't forget to believe in yourself.
Correct.
Kay wala may mapa
That's the first step actually, to believe in yourself. Okay, once you believe in yourself, everyone will also believe in you. Diba? So thank you so much, John.
Thank you.
Sabi ko kay kinasama mo, just keep on. Diba sa bata ko, keep on keeping on.
Wala siya.
Ang stand up!
Keep on keeping. Charis lang.
Okay, thank you so much for watching our Carpool Karaoke with Mr. John Padua. And this is our episode in Noodle Notes.